Hi everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can enable sound and vibration setting in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. So if you want to enable sound and vibration setting, you have to follow the steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable sound and vibration settings in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G.